If you ask 10 YouTubers their biggest challenge on YouTube, 7 out of 10 will tell you that their biggest challenge on YouTube is how to get their 4,000 watch time so that they can get monetized on the platform. 2 will tell you that their biggest challenge on the platform is how to get subscribers so that they can get monetized on the platform, while the remaining 1 person will tell you that his or her biggest challenge on the platform is how to get views. You understand? Guys, if you check my other video, in less than 1 week, I was able to grow my subscribers from 1,800 to over 14,000 subscribers in just 1 week. I was also able to get my watch time. In this video, I will be teaching you how to get watch time that is monetizable. Let me tell you something. You can actually get watch time, but there are some watch time that are not monetizable because there are some strategies that if you use to get watch time, at the end of the day, you might not be able to monetize your channel because that strategy is against YouTube's community guidelines. On this note, this particular strategy I'll be showing you, if you use it, you end up having subscribers, you end up having watch time, you end up having views, and at the end of the day, you end up monetizing. Guys, if this is a video you would love to watch, I am pleading with you to watch from the beginning to the end because you will definitely learn something from it. Now, I am not taking you far away. We are going to do everything here on YouTube. This is because we are using YouTube for this particular practical. All I want you to do is for you to come with me because we are going live. We are going live the right way to get watch time, to get subscribers, and to get views. Okay guys, before we move over to YouTube, this is what you're to do. You need to go on any browser of your choice. I am using Google here. So you open it. Once you open it, you type silence live stream images, silence live stream images. So once you type silence live stream images, you will see all of these images. You understand? You will see all of these images. So what you do at this point is this, is for you to save it. It's for you to save it. So if you check here, you will see save. So you click on save, you save the image. Now that we are done saving the image, this is what we are to do. So we close this, we move over to YouTube. So you're moving over to your YouTube app. You understand? So now that we are here on YouTube, this is what you're to do. Can you see this plus sign? You click on it. So once you click on the plus sign, it has brought us here. This is post. Now you're going to live. You're going to live. You place it on live. So once you place it on live, this is what you are to do. Now you can put your topic. You can put your topic here. You can say, okay, Grow with Mimi is live, or you can say silent live stream. Here you can say silent live stream. Please listen very attentively because this is not the regular. There is something I am going to tell you, and if you miss this part, you will miss everything. Like you will miss everything, and at the end of the day, you might not be able to monetize. So what you will now do next is for you to click on this next. So once you click on next, ensure that your live stream is not made for kids. Ensure it is not made for kids. So you click on go live. You understand? You click on go live. So once you click on go live, you've already gone live. Like it is counting. It is counting. Like it's rotating now, telling us that we are live. Okay guys, so I lost my audio at this point. So like right now, I am already live. Sorry, I made this video in the evening, so I am already live now. Can you see this place I just circled? That's the background. You click on it. Once you click on it, you will see green screen. So what you do at this point is this: that picture that you saved from Google, that picture you saved from your browser, that's the picture you'll be using here. So you might decide to use that silence live stream, you might decide to use your own image, you might decide to use any picture at all. Now this is where it becomes tricky. Do not repeat picture. do not repeat picture. And the thing is this, as you're not repeating picture, you are not supposed to be quiet at the background, so you can be talking. Now if you don't want to talk, let's assume you don't have plenty things to talk, this is what you are to do. You can use another phone, go on TikTok, go on a live stream that there is no music, like they are not playing music at all, you understand? So once you go on such live stream, you can unmute your mic on YouTube, so that whatever they're saying on TikTok's live stream can be filtering into your YouTube's live stream, you understand? The thing now is this, if you go live on YouTube using one image and every time your mic is always muted, when you want to monetize, the tendency of you having issue of repetitive content and issue of reuse content is very, very high. So this is why I said that now if you're looking for watch time and subscribers, you need to change pictures. You are not supposed to make use of just one picture all through your live streams. No, like when I say all through your live streams, I am talking about, let's assume today Monday you have streamed, you understand? Today Monday you streamed with a particular picture, let's say a picture of you putting on a green shirt. Now tomorrow Tuesday you want to stream again, you are not supposed to stream with the picture you used yesterday, you understand? So that's why I said if you're looking for watch time and subscribers, you need to get plenty pictures, you understand? Please do not repeat pictures. Trust me, when you begin this thing, like the views might not really come like that. The first day you might not have the views, the second day you might not have the views, but trust me, if you are consistent, there is no how you do this for a period of 1 week that views will not definitely come. People will come and watch, and people will come and stay. Thank you so much guys, thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.